Have you tried every social media platform but still struggle to drive genuine customers to your website or shop? Then this video is for you because it's time to explore one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, that is email marketing. In this video, I'll break down what email marketing is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for selling your digital product or driving traffic to your shop. So now, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Have you ever opened your inbox and seen an email from a brand you love, maybe about a new product or a special discount? That's email marketing in action. Email marketing is a way for businesses to connect with their audience directly through email. It's like sending a personalized message to someone's inbox, but instead of just saying hello, you're sharing updates, offers, or valuable content. So why is it important? Suppose you've been promoting your product on any social media platform, and your content is not able to reach the right audience, or suddenly your account gets banned. Then you will have to start all over again. But not if you use email marketing, because you will still be able to connect with your potential and loyal customers. So now the question is, how does it work? The process is simple. First, you collect email addresses from people who are interested in what you offer. Next, you will have to create emails like newsletters, product updates, or special deals. Finally, they send these emails to their audience, keeping them engaged and interested. Each step is very crucial, and I am going to explain every step and how you can do every step properly. And I'm also going to share a secret method of sending emails to turn every email into sales. So watch the video till the end, so that you don't miss anything. Now let's check how you can collect emails. And for this, we are going to use lead magnets. Lead magnets simply means something customers will get for free. In exchange, they just have to enter their email address. You can give PDFs, guides, cheat sheets, templates, etc. These things are called freebies. You can easily create freebies using Canva. Like here, I want to create an ebook, so I'll just search for it here. And then you will get a lot of templates to create your ebook. You can simply select any of them, adjust accordingly, and your free ebook is ready. Or you can create your own, and similarly you can do this for other types of freebies also. Now let's check out how and where you can give them away to get emails. There are many ways to do this, but I personally use Gumroad and Flodesk because both of them allow collecting and sending emails at one place, so it's pretty convenient. In Gumroad, you can create free products, like this one here. I've created an Etsy product Excel sheet and set it as free. Now the customer can just simply enter 0 as fair price and click on I want this. Then add their email address, country, add any tip which also can be 0, and click get. Then they will receive this file in their email address, and you will get their email. And to email your customers, you have to go to emails and click on new mail. From here you can send emails to all of your customers at once. You can add files, images, text, links, etc. to your email. And you can also monitor your email performance from the emails section, like how many people you sent it to, how many opened it, clicks and views. Then we have Flodesk here. You can easily sign up using your Google account. Flodesk is an all-in-one place for email marketing because here you can create emails, forms to collect emails, workflow, checkouts, and more. Flodesk lets you create landing pages like this for collecting emails. Your customers just have to enter their email address and they will receive your freebies in their inbox instantly. Flodesk sends you notification for every subscriber you get, and you can check all the collected emails on your profile. Before creating freebies, keep in mind that it should not be anything but something that connects to your paid products. Like if you create an Excel sheet for tracking habits, and people sign up for getting it, then it means they are interested in this topic. So you should create a paid product for this niche, and your free product should directly connect to your paid product. Now that you have created your lead magnet, you just have to share it on every social media you use, paste it on your bio, promote it on Pinterest, Instagram, etc., and you will be able to collect emails. Now let's check out how you can create appealing emails to send to your customers. And for this, we are going to Canva. Just search email for, and it will show you countless templates that you can use. You can select any template according to your email type and product. I like this template here. The layout of this template is pretty great, and it's free to use. Now we just have to change the images, text, and links according to our needs, and our email is ready. Now to bulk send emails to all your collected addresses, there are many websites that you can use like MailChimp, Brevo, constant contact, and many others. It depends on your needs and choice, so I'll leave it up to you to choose which one is best for you. Now that we have everything prepared, let's check out the method that will convert every email into a sale. Just randomly emailing your customers will only seem like spamming and won't look professional at all, so you should definitely avoid it. This process involves 3 very important steps, which means we have to send 3 emails. The first email you will send should be to introduce yourself and introduce what you do, what kind of service or product you bring to your customers. Your next email should be to reveal a problem in your niche or some insights. For example, if you have a product related to weight management or weight loss planner, you can give diet tips or healthy recipes in newsletters which are valuable for someone who wants to lose weight, or what kind of problems people face while dieting. This way, people will feel connected and think that you have the solution to their problems. This will build trust between you and your customers. Now in the third email, we have to introduce our products or services to the customer. Attach your product link in your email and explain how your product can solve their problems, or how it is better than the products others are selling. You don't want to look like a spammer, so don't send these emails one after another. Send after some intervals. Also keep in mind that email marketing is not a race. It's a marathon, so you have to be patient and consistent. So this sums up this video. It was not possible to cover everything about email marketing in one video, so if you want to know more about it, please let me know in the comment section. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.